Hey everyone, my name is Ali Hosseini. I'm an agricultural economist at the Leibniz Center for Agricultural Landscape Research, or SALF, in Germany. In this presentation, I will introduce the strategic business planning module of the Agroforestry Innovation Business Decision Support System, or AFIBUS DSS. When we talk about a strategic plan, we mean the long-term and qualitative part of a business plan. In this DSS, users can see that a strategic plan distributed across the 9 building blocks of the business model canvas. So in the end, the tool provides actually a strategic business model canvas. Very briefly, let me explain the methodology behind this tool. The approach in the project is based on a block-based SWOT analysis of the business model canvas. This means that recommended strategies depend on the situation of strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats in the decision-making environment of an agroforestry farm. Especially in the Agroforestry for EU project, this approach was built on the views of farmers and experts. First, internal and external factors were identified and validated within different regional agroforestry innovation networks in several European countries. And then experts assessed these factors and also evaluated the attractiveness of possible strategies. So in practice, the project first identified possible strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, or SWOT factors for agroforestry farms, and these were validated with farmers in the range. After that, experts in the project evaluated these factors and assigned effectiveness scores to them. Based on that assessment, internal and external factor evaluation matrices were developed for each of the 9 building blocks of the business model canvas. Then this approach was implemented in the DSS. The importance scores of attractiveness assessed by the experts were kept in the system as the default values. Then, based on the assessment made by the end users about how realistic these internal and external factors are in their own situation, the system selects the most highly scored and most relevant strategies. Yes, end users can access this decision support tool through the Agroforestry for EU platform, as you see here. And exactly under the Agroforestry Innovation Business Decision Support System section. Below this part, users will see 2 modules, the operational business model canvas and the strategic business model canvas. Here we go through the strategic business model canvas. So users can click on explore on that part. After that, this page appears and users can just click on let's get started. Then users can select their country or region from the list provided in the system. For example, if they select Ireland, they can then click next to continue. Now the standard business model canvas appears with its 9 building blocks. On the backstage side, we have key partnership, key activities, key resources, and cost structure. On the front stage side, we have value proposition, customer relationship, distribution channels, customer segments, and revenue streams. At this point, end users can choose the part of their business for which they would like to receive long-term strategic recommendations. For example, if a user is interested in strategies for the key partnership part of the business, they can click on that part. Then they will see a list of internal factors, including strengths and weaknesses that they need to evaluate. users score these factors based on how strongly they apply to their own situation. In very simple word, they are judging how visible or how true each factor is in their business. For example, the first statement, as you see, says that the farmers is in contact with agroforestry specialists who provide knowledge about agroforestry system. If that statement is completely true, the user can select 5. Then they continue in exactly the same way for the other factors. For example, here the second factor is scored as 4. And also, if users scroll down, they can continue evaluating the next internal factors one by one. For example, if a statement is not true at all for the farm, such as selling mainly to large buyers in national or international markets, then the user can select 1. In this way, they continue scoring all remaining internal factors. Once the internal factors are finished, users can click next. Now they will see the external factors, which include opportunities and threats. The process is exactly the same. Users score how strongly each factor applies to their own situation. For example, if the farmer fully agrees with the statement about using agroforestry practices to improve the public image of the farm, then they can select 5. Then they continue with the other external factors in the same way. By scrolling down, they can move through the full list of external factors. Here again, users evaluate each factor one by one based on how relevant it is to their farm. They keep going until all the external factors are scored. Once the full list is completed, they can click on Submit. And after submitting, the system immediately displays the 2 most relevant and highest scored strategies inside the selected building block, as you see. And then by clicking on that specific building block, again, users can open a more detailed view of the recommended strategies and also the strategic position. Here, the summary of the recommended strategies and the strategic position is shown. As you see, in this example, the farmer is in a defensive position, and this means that strengths are stronger than the weaknesses, but threats at the same time are stronger than opportunities. That's why the system recommends defensive strategies that help the farmer use existing strengths while also addressing important risks and also weaknesses. In very simple terms, both recommended strategies here, as you see, focuses on a stronger networking and on sharing practical agroforestry experience with others. If users want, they can also continue and ask the DSS to recommend strategies for other parts of their business as well. For example, they can now move to customer relationship and follow the same process. Then two recommended strategies for this building block will also appear in the canvas. At the bottom of the canvas, there is also a summary button, as you see. By clicking on summary, users can see the recommended strategies and the strategic position for all building blocks they have completed. And as you can see, users can also zoom in and review the recommendations and positioning matrices more closely. I hope this guide was useful for you. Thank you very much for your attention.